Hey guys, so excited to show you this spectacular dream house that my client Lisette created for her daughter and son-in-law. It has been a true labor of love, and I'm excited for you guys to have a tour and see how gorgeous it is. So, Lisette, let's go in and
I
check it out.
couldn't have done it without Holly
Oh,
at all.
all right.
Yeah.
Well, let's go take a look inside. So, Lisette, why don't you tell our viewers what you did to the house? What did you and the contractor do?
Well, pretty much everything. Now, if you look, the stair rails are new. Everything is one level. This used to step down.
Oh, that's right. It had the sunk down
Yeah.
living room. Yeah.
Everything is brought up to all one level so you can't trip.
Nice.
And the fireplace used to be brick, and that all opened up. All of this is opened up.
So there used to be a wall here, right?
Yes. And this was not here, this whole countertop, because the window was lower. So they shortened the window so they could put this more counter space under the window. All of this area is new.
With the huge island.
Yeah.
So the floor plan used to have kitchen here, formal dining here, and then formal living there. But in the spirit of today's preferred open concept, they knocked out the wall and incorporated it all in. So you've got your dining area,
and there was
big
no
open
island.
kitchen. Yeah.
So this is great.
And I see you've got the microwave in the island, really nice built-in fridge.
Plenty of room all around it with lots of storage.
Recessed lights all through the ceiling. I know those weren't all there before, and there's so many. That's really nice. I love your hanging pendants too. Those are really pretty.
Yeah.
A Wolf stove. You spared no expense. I love it. And
I know.
Gorgeous backsplash with the hood. Of course, all new cabinets.
And there was a wall here too.
Oh, that's right.
There was a wall here separating another living room. And
so the wall knocked out, so you've got more storage cabinets.
Lots of cabinets with all the pull-outs.
Pull-out drawers.
Pull-out drawers.
Nice.
Which are nice. And this used to be a desk in the kitchen.
Oh, I like it better as a countertop.
I know.
So what was there before? Was that a wet bar?
Okay. It was a bar, but we just put new countertops on it.
Okay. Was this here before too, or is that new?
That's
I thought that was brand new.
That's new.
I love this shelf too.
Yes. You got to have a wine fridge.
Yes.
Oh, and then this wasn't here.
Look at nice storage.
Okay, I know it's a little messy, but it's storage, whole storage under the stairway, and on the other side there's more drawers.
So this room underwent a major transformation too. Did it used to be stepped down also?
It stepped down. Now it's all one level.
One level.
The roof here actually is a little tiny bit raised because it had panels on it. And then this also, by the way, was all this height. So the whole kitchen was brought up.
Wow. So you vaulted the ceiling.
Vaulted that ceiling, yeah.
And these 3 bifold windows are all brand new, right?
And let me open. Yeah. Perfect. And they all open up completely.
Okay.
So these guys all open up, and then you just have to open it up here, and they just completely, all of 3 of them open up.
So the whole total open
leads out. Yeah, all 3 doors open up to the outside.
Well, and one of the big major things that you changed is what was here that is no longer here?
There was a fireplace.
Yes.
Actually, right here.
Oh, over here. Okay.
And it went way up, and there was no view because the fireplace blocked it. But this is a second fireplace, so you don't need 2 fireplaces downstairs, you know.
So you removed the fireplace, put in the windows.
Put in another door.
And then up on the second level, you even were able to add a window.
Yeah.
In that bedroom as well.
And this, you can shoot the outside. We put the gazebo out.
You redid the backyard too. Huh?
The gazebo with a little bar and a TV and a jacuzzi. It's just so peaceful out here now.
It's wonderful. You added the fruit trees.
Yeah, and all the fruit trees and lighting. And
I love it.
Put turf on this side.
Yeah, so you've got artificial turf mixed with
mixed
real
with real
grass, but this is
grass
so great for the
and
durability.
new fence and gates.
Oh, the
That's
fence is
it.
so pretty
Isn't
too.
it pretty?
Yes. Very nice. Contractors did beautiful work.
And this is where the fireplace was. It
Oh,
goes
yeah.
all the way up to the top.
So now you have that whole new window.
We have 2 windows now instead of a fireplace there. So it's
That's
kind of
awesome.
nice. Yeah.
Always love
Isn't
more
this
light.
nice when they're all open?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, let's go upstairs and check out the master suite.
I'll close it for the cat just in case
Yes.
he comes out.
I think the cat's going to need to make a quick appearance if he's willing.
Oh, he's
the
willing.
most beautiful cat I've ever seen in the whole world. Sorry, kids. He's prettier than any cat we've ever owned. So let's go upstairs. Or maybe
the bathroom.
Oh, yeah, we got to see the bathroom.
This is all redone. This is really pretty. Go ahead and show the shower. It's Marlise wanted gold in here.
I love it. Beautiful.
And the shower was all redone. Isn't it pretty?
Yeah. Should we see if Shredder can make a quick appearance? Do you think he'll come out? I know he's got an intimidating name, but he's not that
She
intimidating.
wants to get Shredder on the thing. This is
Shredder.
Look at Shredder.
And this is Scout. Isn't Shredder so pretty? He's the prettiest kitty I've ever seen. A Bengal, right? He's so soft, the softest kitty I've ever felt.
And Amanda's an amazing kitty and dog sitter.
Plug my services.
Yeah. But don't use her if I need her. So
All right,
Okay,
let's go check out
go
the
upstairs.
master upstairs. The rails added a tremendous fresh new look compared to the older rails that were here
they were
before.
wood, and these rails are actually to code.
Yeah, a lot of stair rails are not to code anymore because the code used to be like 6 inches between spindles, and now it's 4 inches.
So it's a safer stair rail.
Yes. So, Lisette, tell them all about the bathroom.
This was all, we had all new doors put on. These are those wonderful barn doors. And this bathroom, we painted the cabinets. They were here, but this whole shower was enlarged. Look at this shower.
So big.
Yeah.
So luxurious. You've got the rain head, the extra hand wand.
Yeah.
I love the floor. So pretty.
Yeah, the floor.
Huge bathtub.
This was a closet.
Oh,
This was
wow.
a closet in the bathroom.
Much better use of the space. That's a beautiful bathtub.
Yeah.
I love it. And they still have walk-in closet over here too.
Yes. Walk-in closet.
Beautiful built-ins there. And then here in the master, it's got a really nice vaulted ceiling. Their recessed lights, a really pretty new fan.
We really didn't do anything in here other than clean it up.
Yeah.
And new flooring. And then that's the kiddies area outside.
It's a screened-in porch. I've never seen this.
We
That's super clever how you did that.
We screened it all in so the cat could go outside. But we didn't change anything here.
And then he can't escape.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, let's go see the last bedroom and bathroom over here.
Okay. Light this chandelier is I love it.
Very pretty.
Here is, I'll let you go in, just one of the guest bedrooms, another one.
With a really nice fan. I love your guys' choice of the fixtures. Beautiful. And one more
We didn't
final
change
bathroom.
anything here.
It looks
But
so
the,
nice.
But the knobs.
And you did a new shower though, right?
New shower.
Really nice choice again of the tile. I love the floor tile.
Do
It's
you
really
want to
pretty.
peer in here? Do you want to peer in here? There's a 4th bedroom.
Sure, yeah.
And this really was a 4th bedroom, but they had company, so it hasn't.
There's a
little
guest bed.
Yeah.
But this is the brand new window that added a tremendous amount of light in this room. Before it just had the one window. So now
That was blocked by the fireplace before.
and now Miguel has a nice view from his office. So what a nice place to work with all the pretty trees and
Yep.
it's really nice. Well, thank you so much for the tour. And I just
Well,
want to congratulate you on how beautiful the house came out.
thank you.
I'm so proud of you that you had the vision and then persevered, because I know it was a lot of work.
Well, without you, I couldn't have done any
And
of it.
Scott
And Scott, you
stepped
well,
in when we needed help. He was really helpful.
I know.
So
I know.
yeah, well, thanks for giving us the tour, and congratulations. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Make sure you subscribe for more great real estate tours and information.